you stand there, you're controlling the front end of a traffic jam, Dean. So we're going to set up our traffic jam here. What I want you to do is, when a car arrives at the back, just pull off the car at the front and pull it along the road. Okay, so first car coming in. Second car. Carry on. What you can see is the traffic jam moves backwards along the road. That's it. Okay, thanks very much, Dean. So traffic jams move backwards along a road. Now we actually have some real traffic data here, taken from a section of the M25. Now here we have the section between junction 10, junction 15. Cars flow in this direction along the road. And this is a snapshot of the traffic. Now, the dark regions are where the traffic is moving very slowly. So you can think of it as a traffic jam. And the light regions are where the traffic's moving reasonably quickly. So there's no traffic jam there. And this was taken at 8 o'clock in the morning. Now, as time moves on, of course, we just saw traffic jams move on. And so if I slide this along, you can actually see, let's just take one traffic jam, it's black in the center here, you can actually see it move backwards along the road. Now, of course, no one driver has knowledge of what's happening on the whole road. But if we look at the pattern that's formed along the road for all time, we begin to see something that does indeed resemble some kind of pattern, not completely dissimilar from the patterns, the lines we're getting on these mixed grains that are rotating around there. And this pattern isn't completely regular, but it isn't completely irregular. If it was disordered, then the black and the white would be smeared out all over the place. They'd just be completely disorganized. But we can see some kind of ordering there. And it's understanding these kind of patterns and the realization that the patterns that occur in things like traffic are very similar to the patterns that occur in, for example, in sand and in many other things in nature, that's giving scientists an understanding about what happens in time in these systems. And that's the key then to giving some level of predictability about the future.